My people, this your boy Gael straight out of risky music. You know what it is, huh? The one and only.
English is too much.
English is too much. No Uganda. Get out. Pola, easy.
Gael, how are you?
I'm okay.
How is that going?
The going is okay. We are pushing.
Mm.
Music is doing well actually. Right now, I have the second trending song in Uganda.
Exactly.
So music is doing well.
Which song is that?
Stay Remix.
Stay Remix.
We started with Stay last year in December. Itondise ne Stay original twakikubye twatandisa ku internet lockdown. Paka Stay kubye 1 million ku YouTube.
Okay.
And then now afterwards I was like, this is not enough. I had to look for Cindy netukola remix.
Era yolo luyimba.
Same song.
Kigendererwa ki?
No, just to love. If you have a good song, you have to put them around it. These days, it's no longer about doing a song 1 month, 2 months. Tewali makulu.
Wakola remix y'oluyimba olwo n'abantu babiri ab'enjawulo.
Wali mulala. Tewali mulala.
Wakola ne Cindy yekka.
Nakola ne Cindy yekka. No, the one you're talking about maybe wali omutungo bayakozesa beat yange. I think that's Finka.
Okay. Who is Gael?
Well, Gael is a simple, someone passionate about music, and a businessman.
For how long have you been in the music industry?
The music industry, I've been around for some time. I think it's now almost 10 years. Because Ibra one
yes.
Those days, I'm hustling, I have my songs, easy, I come, bro, let me out, let's push. Easy.
So, ani akuleta mu ndongo?
I started music long time. Kubanga jukira natandise ne covers, bya Kwatako, bya Cindy, bya Shiba, sorry. Nakoze Wilinwaji, all the songs of those days they used to do covers. The days of Facebook. When natandise on Facebook I was very famous. I was very famous on people's statuses those days. Ngabanda banywa.
Then before joining music, biki wali okola?
Well, I was studying. I was in school. Natandise ngali campus by the way no bya covers.
Okay.
I was studying, I was also working. I'm still working. And right now I think I have a music label, it's called Risky Music.
Oh yeah, wemba denzija. Bajita batya?
Risky Music.
Okay.
Right, Risky Music.
Risky Music. You risk.
If you don't risk, well, the music. In fact, this world you have to risk.
Yeah, you have to risk. And you invest in it.
Invest in it. It's the only way to get. We have started well so far.
Oh my goodness. So far, how is that going?
Well, so far so good because Jukila last year I started with DJ LL.
Okay.
DJ LL Jukila hit song ya Chow Chow Nefifa Maker. Yangi, that's my project with LL and Fifa Maker. Twakoze Gendelela last year.
Okay.
Catalan Kando, Willa Starry is my artist. Yeah, and then at the moment I have Black Shuga, I have Lati Wheezy. Yeah, and I'm also having a new artist I'm still unveiling. She's called Nella Dee.
Oh my goodness. Gael, tukulaba ebintu bino bikwasaganyiza omulundi gumu. Tukulaba oli muyimbi. Tuze tukulaba oli muyimbi. The same time oli manager, olina ne record label. Bino ebintu bibiri. Biki byotulamu n'ogamba oba biki byotulamu n'ogamba kino kinsobola concentratingiramu oba byonna obyagala?
Byonna byagala. Kubanga byonna bikola. Ate byonna bisobola. Tewali any that can defeat me. That's why I do it. If it was defeating me, I would leave some. You see, I want to
being a manager, no muyimbi. Tebina ngeri gye distracting am.
Is it distracting? Kubanga funa atenyo. Wanga jukira my mind busy always busy. Bela n'ebintu bingi kwatagana n'ebintu bingi ate musical ate work wise buli kimu.
Toyina kyogamba nti atulisa kino wengenda okustickinga ngamenti wano wentadde amaanyi gange. Amaanyi go gonna galiwa?
Gonna gali. Ku buli kimu there's nothing that fails. Buli kimu kikola. Ate kiyongeza nnyo kwa maanyi. Kubanga usakunga matino when I'm working with many people I'm also getting new ideas. New ideas now.
So far Abayimbi oyina bameka mu record label?
So gamba kati bali banya.
Bana. Nga naye mwoli.
Nange.
Gwe kati goyina manager oba gwe manager wo?
Nze manager wange. Nina team. Nina team ulaba ku industry. Wetaga team. abantu bangi ba mistaking ebitu gye bayita management ne manager.
Okay.
Management ebelanga n'abantu bakuyamba. N'abantu bangi nga bakuyamba bagenda ku kesi yo bakuyamba wano ne wano ne wano. Naye kati oba olina team kisinga ne management kubanga mutu omu tekiggwa. One person is not enough to make you a star.
Emirimu biba mingi.
Negwe obeera osobola kubeera negwe oli ku team yange kubanga kimu kyonchopa.
Okay. Sifa kati abayimbi abakyala olinamu bameka?
Abakyala na babiri.
Bina abasajja.
Abasajja babiri.
Okay. We've heard nti wakolako era waliko ne manager wa Bakatalian Kambe. What happened?
No. Asaba the manager.
Oba wali investor ngoli behind the management.
No, twakoze project genderera. Twakoze project. Asaba the manager.
Long time ago. We've had nti waliko manager wao.
Maybe mawulide because mwalaba nkoze nnyo ne like bade twina collab. Nkola ne
Repan, yes.
Kati nga buli kimu nze kwata artist wange yakwata ba artist. Kati lantando so kati saba the manager.
Tutwale tumene wali ku manager wabo.
Kati nakoze before with big artist.
Okay.
Chenda bitino big artist. Tebana buzibu nyingi, just it's about the what they have done too much, they are on the way. It is somehow difficult kuyamba omuntu ready nga atuse. Nga mutu nga kyali kutandika oba utandise ebintu kujania omuntu in the beginning. Chikola nnyo.
Era wenyini tulaba nti ozzo okola n'abayimbi bayirawo abanene. I've seen you working with Eddie Kenzo.
I've worked with Eddie Kenzo,
FIFA Maker,
Fiye. With very many artists,
Karukasita, yes.
Andre, Fefe Busi. Ikugamba nkoze n'abantu bonna oba.
Bayina engeri gye bakuyambyemu.
Wale engeri, you see like everything has a positive and negative impact. Nenga ze focusing on your positives.
Okay.
Wala bango nakoze kayimba ne Eddie Kenzo house, a choice yange kubye.
Yo baba.
Funye almost 400k YouTube. Chikola. Ate funye also that audience. Kati eno ka audience so kiyamba paka kati.
Obanya biseera bisinga aba artist abo baba batuuse gye batuuse on top. Kibeera kizibe biseera bisinga okujja omuntu kati nga gwa job maybe nti obakole ki oba convincing bakuwe like bakuwe collabo. Toyina buzibu obafunamu gwe gamba nti engeri gyobafunamu nti oba
abantu bonna nabafunye either true connection kubanga jjukira abadde nakola n'abantu abantu babamanyi oba nabakola nabo basobola kugamba basobola kufunira Kenzo omanyi Gael wange twali ku office we mwogere mulabe oba musobola kukola kayimba kubanga olaba eno kayimba ka choice eno kayimba ya the whole song was for Kenzo. Yampadde kayimba yangamba tukole eno yimba ogenda yimba bulungi wano.
Oluyimba lwonna lwali lwa Kenzo?
Like bade twina writer nga yagiwandise Kenzo yagala gikola nagamba no better we do this song with you. Yabadde like namusanze ne kayimba kange namuwadde no yangamba let's do this song. It's gonna be a hit. So kati that is a positive for
me. Tulabyo ze Cindy
kati
soko otubulire.
For Cindy I have a history with her because ko lockdown twakoze limba je bayita kwata
lockdown oliyagwa
lockdown yagwa
mwakola oluyimba
bayita kwata, a very nice song. Twakoze ne video ejukira ina sawa za lockdown kati tukola tetuna sente tusobola promoting aluyimba limba lutambula ku house parties, hidden parties kati teyakoze nnyo. So later on she was like we have to do another song. So
fenna tukimanyi wano Cindy like she's a king of the stage.
You know
when it comes to live stage performance.
Cindy.
Yes. Nti bwekituuka ku live performance nti wano ye general.
Exactly.
Like gwe nga gwe omusanzo otya oba wamusanga otya at the moment.
Nze already omanyi there is nothing to add on Cindy. Cindy is who she is. Cindy is top. Cindy akuba. From this song that I've just done with Cindy, this is my first project I've ever done. Weeks bidi tugenda kuba 1 million.
Yeah, it's working good.
Tugenda kuba 1 million for YouTube. Tuli trending number 2 in Uganda. Kugamba when we are dealing with that, we are dealing with the top. Kati kwegamba she's who she is.
Okay.
There's no mistaking.
Should we say those are some of the reasons as to why wakola naye?
Of course, I worked with her, and also she's a good person. But I'm seeing Taina Buzibu. Cindy Ali cool, she's calm, she's down to earth. She will never, you never see Cindy disrespect anyone. She rather keeps quiet. And she's straightforward. So I'm maybe young. This is it. This is what I want. Either this or not, or nothing.
Oh yeah.
And I collaborate. No much longer. I'm to collect interview. Unlike other artists, back home, what are you out to buy na energy? Omukubi jangu to collect interview tali.
So Cindy gave you energy.
No, Cindy has the energy, and that is the way these big artists should all be, and that is where she is. That's why she is who she is. But actually, energy, like artist to talk.
Oh my goodness! So how was the vibe in the studio?
Katila Cindy aja ku studio just awandika lwimba okumotoka. Awandika verse okumotoka.
Awo nyini.
Teganga oba right oba bichibichi awandika naingira ku studio one take. Producer take out beat. Achikuba, no wasting time. That's the same thing she did on my first song. We did quarter. That's the same thing she did even on this song.
On remix,
yes. Yajiwandisa okumotoka. Nga like 10-12 minutes kumotoka na ingide mu studio na take out verse.
Ande muntu yandyebuza like nti mu bayimbi bonna okusobola okujampinga kwolo luyimba yo remix. Nti Cindy lwaki walonda oyina ebintu byotunula byolaba mu Cindy ebitali mu bayimbi balala bali abakyala.
Exactly. Nalabe tino ali she is who she is. She's the king herself. Olabe sinalabe any artist asowa kuwa artist muto chance. Bona abakola bona they do a collab with you nga abagala ku lagatino I'm top. The artist, she came out and she said my name. Nagamba Gael biggie, nateka walinyele ange, nateka omuli, but that pushes me as an artist, as a young artist, for people to know me more. And that means a lot coming from her. Okay. Because she doesn't have that time. She's a big star. She doesn't have to give you anything, but she can still do it because she knows this young man wants to become a star tomorrow. And I think if you notice very well, most people who have worked with Cindy, by no story. Also, kugamba man ono mukazi, she puts me out there. I am who I am today because of her, you know. So
okay. So Abayimbi wali oyagala okukolako nabo y'omukubo.
Of course.
Like kyakutokerera bbanga ky'omunoonya omutuukako. Like
I called the manager of Cindy like now and she was like, yes, let's do it. Can we go to studio? When are we going? Namugambe we go tomorrow about 1. And they came.
Kati financially ani ateekamu awo?
No, they take out kulimba lwange. I put money in my music.
You invest in
music? I invest in music. Okay. Take out cent. So I kulimba ze take out cent. In music I put money because I know without money you cannot make this music more. We take out cent.
And abantu abazinga
for me, someone has ever told me before. The DJ who told me once. He told me, young man, you want me to play your song? I have a family.
I pay rent.
I have to eat lunch. Kati ngoyaga kuba kayimbako because this is my business. I wake up in the morning, nigenda nikola. And night in the bars I'm playing. If I play your song, then now buy something.
That's the word.
Fena tukola, tufuna tuna branches afi fena tukola. It is still business. Katoso akugamba tino zina kubye luyimba yakubye. Tewali sente zona zinatadea okuluyimba olimba. If you did that, maybe you did it in 2000, 2001, 2002, not now.
In most cases, abayimbi ebisere bisinge bava ne bakola oluyimba. Rights ani abeera ne rights z'ennyimba zino. To an extent, tulabya abayimbi ab'enjawulo bazze babifunamu obutakkaanya.
Ennaku zino tulina ebintu bya splits. Ebintu bya splits tugikola nnyo. Naye splits zikola nga like oba nga tewasasudde muyimbi. Like if I do a song with, let me say for example, maybe I did a song with Eddie Kenzo. Eddie Kenzo, if I paid him for that collabo, he doesn't have to have any splits on that song. That is fully my project. Okay. And a collabo, he gave me a collabo, but I paid for it fully. Bang, I paid for the split money. All I've been said is but maybe on distribution, certain thing. After months, after 3, after 4, 5 months. Okay. I think you see like you invested in a song like over 20 million. I think you said is it to 3 million. By the time you get 3 million on a song streams, simanyi wangu okola nani? Oh, ina company ngekusigninga ku America, si wano Uganda.
So can rights ezisinga bobanga musasudde wali eringa mukola oluyimba zibazizo.
Even these things of writers, writer kuandisa luyimba, nagamba pay me money for the song. No more seteze. awo yafunye sente ze kiwedde twali oba mpa split ngalaba akayimba kyakubye ate split zigenda kuwa ku kigenda funa tewali kifo kyonna kyefuna so people have to understand that whole thing depends agreement kyebakola naye ennaku zino tewali nnyo ebintu bya agreement jjukira abayimbi oba bakola abayimbi oba ennaku zino oba bakola oba okubidde ongamba nina oluyimba I want to sell to you like it matters a lot if you had an agreement but if there's no agreement it's just man to man word bana kusidise sente kusimu mobile money maybe that's the only evidence abantu bangi they are not professional tebalina receipts kulaga tino I did this for him this shows naye kisinga nnyo tusobola kungamba tino I got your song I went to the studio I recorded it without your knowledge oba twakoze kayimba oba we did something and there's nothing that shows it always shows somehow
well Gael tuzze tulaba abayimbi ab'enjawulo nga beenyigira mu kintu kya copyright kino gwe toli part of it
still part of it naye ba striking aluyimba yange last year no yagenderera eno ya Catalan Kando waliyo saga awo yayiseewo awo luyimba wange gwera study luyimba balujjaako everywhere kirabika Andre sold it to another woman ono mukazi kumbe she had the rights that was striking ku YouTube erinnya lye so amugamba wano naye just waliyo omukazi awo she was abroad yatu striking everywhere paka ku distribution balujjaako if you search that song now you can't get it anywhere but it was read in 1.1 million views yalujayo so kugamba tino someone can strike you and remove your song if he has the rights oba asobola ku striking ina abantu bamanyi bamukolera omukazi kirabika abadde akola n'abanigeria bamanyi awo computer people
oh my goodness
balujjaako everywhere and the project was off but it was a big hit it was nominated Galaxy I think last time to our Galaxy I remember was among the nominated songs for last year
okay
so yakoze bulungi naye still but striking so all I can say these days you have to take care of your work be careful keep it well safe know exactly where is it from and oluyimba zinaguze leero is it a song for 4 years ago who else might be having it ono producer nkola naye kubanga like for example ugambye oluyimba wange baluzaayo stay waliyo vinka yagenze nakozesa same beat yakoze oluyimba wagiyita mine naye the stuff I didn't care so much because there was a way they changed the beat the producer
well abayimbi tuzze tulaba abayimbi yesu okoze nabo kati muyimbi kigwandiyagadde okubanga okola naye essaawa zino oba mukyalo oba musajja kuba kati munaye basita bonna tulaba gwo balina
sina maybe artist wange so wakola Nella Dee Nella Dee Black Shuga tukole fena tukola na watu
Black Shuga kali yayo muyimbi wo
agenda yimba
yafuka muyimbi
tewalabye kulimba yawe Nella Dee
kane banna
I'm okay ngayimba bulungi
omwana oyo omulimu gwatakoze nga teguliyo
tonakakasa tonakiriza
omwana mwamujja mu depression ne mumuleeta mu mudongo
agenda yimba
anaki
si ubi olaba if someone comes to you today nagamba I want to do this
she came to you
yes of course I didn't look for her namugamba start singing you know she looked for me and she told me Gael I've always wanted to sing I want to be a star so
bino ebintu bino gena bimanaging otya banegale gena bimanaging
so far so good sinafuna obuzibu nganze buli kimu kigenda bulungi
Gael, do you have beside music do you have any other business?
Yes, I'm a businessman.
Okay.
Call business a lot. I've been actually from school abantu bangi badde bakola bagala I want to be a footballer I want to be mine was music and business nkuze nnyo tata wange my late dad was a businessman
he so rest in peace
he taught me business a lot from a young age like from 16 I was already working I was moving paka lero I'm a businessman all business now businesses around small businesses
okay
that's how I survive I'm having a new song coming out soon
okay
just watch out for it it's coming it's a single
okay
it's dropping soon and meanwhile check out my artist's song we have Latiwizi dropping a new song anytime now we have Nella Dee
okay
music dropping today
Nella Dee
Nella Dee for you. So
Okay.
we everywhere. Risky music to the world.
Nella Dee.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. Banengoli fresh and clean.
Thank you.
Banesoko tubuzeeko bannaye.
Hello guys. Hello. My name is Nella Dee. I'm a new Ugandan artist, fresh talent, looking good, looking hot. Wait for good music, of course. That is what makes the brand Nella Dee.
Oh my goodness. What inspired you to join music?
Of course, music is me. There is no inspiration for who you are. Yeah, music is somewhere. It's a place where I can voice something. I can voice it out when I talk about music. My emotions, my obongo bwange byendowooza, anything that I want to say, anything that I want to tell to people out there.
Okay.
Message in this music.
More music. So no solawo joining omukulu Gael.
Yasalawo. It's a pleasure.
Akujawa.
It's a pleasure. Until doing the risky music.
If you don't try to risk.
Yes. Yeah. I risked na risking, of course, mungeri nunje yokubanga manager, and then he said, okay, let's risk it together. So we are risking. Nay, of course, to risking other risk good.
Ebisala ebisinga ba manager muteekawo embeera ey'okubeera nti muganza abayimbi abaana abawala. For a reason being, nti atuuka ekiseera.
I am the most professional person you can work with. Like I'm the most professional person you can work with. Well, now could just people confuse things. You know, what is it that you want to do for them? Once you start mixing business, other things are. In most cases, this is what happens. Oh, Kafunyo was with the manager. That is it. You saw me here saying something. I say people need to know how to differentiate their private life from their musical public life. Yes. Or what in a private life you cannot have peace of mind. Yeah, this is what I always try to tell my artists, even Black Shuga. With Nakumugamba, try your level best to keeping a life you private, ne music life in another situation.
Well, oze mundongo. Ebikono nga biri mundongo. Akavuyo nga kali mundongo.
Chenina chimu ye music, so ebirala buza manager. Okamanya kakagambo ka fresh kid buza manager. Omuntu yenda ina kyangamba kyestegera buza manager.
Anti nawe olina okujjanga naye weesibye bbiri
kuba ndo siba bbiri nina manager. Nanti kati osesiba bbiri ba risking they are risking all my problems. You know, that is why budget risky management. Wobo ine kintu kyonna sabanze kyesobola nga nkuriskingira ne wa risky music.
Ebibatu bifuuse bayita ebibatu biri mu ndongo obadde okimanyi.
Anti basaba kinze kyesina ng'osaba manager. Banenze nnandongo so onsaba ekintu kyonna ng'okisaba manager alina n'ebisinga byonna so tonnemezaamu nnyo we mba siina kyo. Nze nnandongo, that is all I have. Basically, I'm collecting all my energy for music. So energy yonna sexual energy, it's all njikumira music wange abe successful. So basically sola jigabira muntu yenna for now because nange njetaaga. It needs to take me up there. Nze atasamira, nze atakola ki. So of course I just need God. So chichenina, it's my energy. It's my everything. Surrendering Katonda jachiraba nteke you up there.
So waka joining risk management, like for how long?
It's been some time. We've been working.
It's been some time. It's like a house you're building. Music you have to be constructing. Okay. So Kati, if she's around today, she's been there. We've been working on projects at it. Now we want to put it out. We want people to see it. Okay. So actually, her music has to speak for itself.
Which type of music you go?
Onyirirawo tukulanga mutabani wa Queen. Nze kuluroba mpoteza mbaleka kusini. Nze nakwagalira mu magento nyumira ne jini. Ankube kishaulini. Which kind of music is that?
Simani.
Bajja mumanya. Bajja muwulira.
Oyine nyimba meka.
This is going to be my third project. Project twagikola ne Atin. Risky music bana top. Twakola ne Atin. Twakola ne Dr. Brain, he wrote the song. Twakola ne Sean Pro. So it's a good project. This is going to be my third video and my third project.
Oh, management yogisanzo otya okutwalize wamu.
Top. Ochiraba nawe sokola bembeere eri wano gwe obadde ondabawa. I've told you this is going to be my third project. So kubanga balese this energy It's amazing. Bana, it's a honor. Kyakitiibwa nnyo okuba nga ndi. It's a pleasure bambi.
At the moment biki by'osuubiza management eno to an extent ne manager okubeera nga biki by'obasuubiza?
Discipline and music, of course. N'okutu, listening.
Of course.
That is all I can promise. Ne Katonda just otuyamba, we shall get there ku top.
Twagala otukubira ekifaananyi oba otusiigiremu ekifaananyi essaawa zino. Eno ye management oba nti okubeera nti okufuuka omuyimbi musoso okubeera nga.
Yes, mbadde sibeerangako ne management, just mbadde n'abantu abanyambako here and there.
Naye ng'obaddeyo oyimba.
Mbaddeyo nga nyimba. I have 2 projects eziri out. Oluyimba lwange olusooka baluyita Sinze na releasing I think last year mu August. Then nenkola nkuliyo this year ne Best Boy mu January. So this one is going to be my 3rd project.
Mu bayimbi abali wano most especially abakyalo oba abasajja oba osanga oba oliawo muyimbi kigwe gwolaba gwandireetazeeko okuba nga okolako naye if the chance comes?
Banange abayimbi bonna ekisooka I respect different talents, but I just more respect. I love working with Dr. Brain. He's my very good writer. I respect his pen n'engeri gy'apangamu ebigambo bye. He has been writing my projects. Then of course my manager, if he grants me the chance, why not? But my manager ayimba nnyo. But if why not?
Okay.
Of course maybe abalala kansooke mbaleke management ejjabba ngamba.
Oba just because olw'okuba oyagala bano abali mu management?
No. Mu management yange I think it's my manager. Because Gael ali hard working. Manyi we tuba tukoze project because he's so hard working. Man, he music ali professional, so of course it's a pleasure kuba nga nandikoze naye akayimba. Then maybe Spice Diana is also good. Spice Diana is also good. Simanyi abalala njagenda ndaba mpola bane buli omu kirabika.
All right, katukomaawo for now. Mwebale nnyo.
Thank you guys. I want to remind you about my name, Bambi. My name is Nella Dee. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribing Nella Dee Music. Nella Dee. Yes, Nella. Nella like Nella Dee Music. Thank you.